The Lord God the Father spoke with me this past day. I see historic floods coming to the earth. Unbelievable floods. And everything everywhere was totally flooded, inundated. From the homes to the roads to the fields to everything. And you know, in that case, normally the Lord puts us in there, so we also try to run and try to get through the water. Historic floods are going to hit the earth. Kenya will not be spared. It will create a distress. It was quite vast. We were trying to cross through some areas. It was unbelievable. So every part was covered by floods, and you know, people are trying to pass by vehicles, by bike, by everything, by foot. It was just impossible. Historic floods are coming to the earth.
The land of sand has become a world of water. At Dubai Airport, planes ploughed through floods, with people plucked from the torrents.
More than 2,800 people have been evacuated from flood-hit areas.
At least 8 have been killed in the neighbouring state of Rio de Janeiro.
All along the Hawkesbury Nepean floodplain, low-lying roads are underwater.
Oh my God, this is so bad.
Severe flooding temporarily shutting down the highway.
Another heartbreaking season of floods for Pakistan. And around 85 houses in the area were damaged.
These houses of Gatumba in western Burundi can now only be accessed by boat.